Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA. The first 50 Mahindra Self-propelled Mortars have been just delivered to the Indian Army. The system consists of a Spanish 120 mm Alacran Mortar System on a Mahindra 4x4 chassis with excellent shoot and scoot capability under 60 seconds with a range of 8 km. This system is transportable by Mi-17 and Chinook helicopters of Indian Army. The vehicle can deploy the motor and aim the target in 30 seconds and re-aim it automatically in 5 seconds. The vehicle will solve the operational problems of current motor carriers such as need for the vehicle reinforcement, large platform usage, overheating, limited firing capabilities, ability to provide automated fire support, and quick shoot and scoot capabilities. Spanish company New Technology Global Systems or NTGS offers the Alakran system, a solution consisting of a motor system mounted in a pickup vehicle. Once the shooting location has been reached, the motor is deployed on ground by means of a hydraulic system. Then the motor is ready to be fired. It is obvious that this system offers a faster and more effective way of shooting. When it is necessary to leave, the vehicle lifts up the motor and put it back inside. The great advantage in comparison with traditional weapon systems is deploying and withdrawing the motor system takes just few seconds. The motor carrier vehicle ASLV is now in production for the Indian Army, which has purchased 1300 units from Mahindra. It has a protected cabin with 2 doors. The Alacran Mortar is located on the rear platform. This motor can be integrated into the rear of a light 4x4 vehicles or in heavier armored vehicles. The motor remains inside the vehicle during the trips and is deployed from the rear of the vehicle using an electromechanical actuator. In a few seconds, it rests on the ground on a square base that stabilizes the platform and allows continuous firing at maximum load without transmitting the vibration to the vehicle that transports it. According to the manufacturer, the entire operation of deploying, aiming, firing at 2 different targets, withdrawing and leaving a position is done in just over a minute. Specifically, it can go into action and fire 220 mm mortar shells in 67 seconds, then switch to another position before the enemy battery can fire back. The vehicle is ready to fire in 35 seconds and back on target after firing in just 8 seconds. It can be retracted in 25 seconds. Operation from the cockpit and outside the vehicle is made possible by the inclusion of a proprietary fire control system that displays its location and that of assigned targets and include a ballistic calculation system for multiple type of ammunitions. The range varies from 6.5 km with 81 mm mortar shells to 8 km with 120 mm mortar shells. It has a wide fire capacity, firing 12 shots in the first minute, 4 shots in sustained fire. It is prepared to work in harsh and desert environments and has protections against solar radiation, dust and water. Alacran can also be installed in a vehicle weighing more than 15 tons without structural reinforcements and can be transported by transport helicopters. Artillery modernization program has been a priority for the Indian Army since the Sino-Indian standoff in mid-2020. Since then, Indian Army has taken up a number of initiatives like development of a light tank in quick time, induction of armored personnel carriers, and ordering of mountain guns to counter Chinese misadventure in our northern frontiers. Induction and deployment of this vehicle-mounted mortar system is one of them. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like this video, do not forget to share and subscribe our channel. Jai Hind.